I've been in a car accident and I didn't think I had any injuries, but now I'm hurting. What do I do? Hi, my name's Eric Stevenson and I'm an attorney at Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers, and join me today as I answer this question because it's a pretty common one. You know, a lot of times people get in a car wreck and just due to the shock of the accident, maybe dealing with their vehicle on the scene and the police being there and all of that, they may not realize that they're injured. Sometimes injuries take a couple of days to show up or for somebody to feel them. Have you ever worked out in the yard and 2 days later you go to work and you're thinking, golly, my back hurts, what did I do? And you realize, oh yeah, I picked up this big rock or something in my backyard and that must have been what it was. Well, car wreck injuries can be very similar. A lot of times people don't start to feel pain until a couple of days after the accident. So what do? Well, the first thing to do is seek medical attention. You got to make sure that you're getting better. So, go to your doctor, go to a chiropractor if you need to, go to urgent care, go to the emergency room if it's an emergency, but get the medical treatment you need so that you can get better. That does two things. One, you don't get better if you don't go to the doctor. Two, it documents that you're injured and that it's related to the accident. So make sure that any medical provider that you see knows that you were in an auto accident and that you believe that that's the cause of your injuries. The other thing to do is to call an attorney. Call a lawyer that does personal injury work, that works on a contingency fee basis, that won't charge you until the case is settled. Call them and get advice from them. Most lawyers, like our firm, that do personal injury cases do not charge for a consultation. And so, if you call our firm, we'll give you advice on what to do as far as making an insurance claim about your injuries, and so will most personal injury firms. So if you're in an accident and you didn't feel like you were hurt, and later on you realize you still have a case. You were injured from the accident, so make sure you get medical treatment and make sure you talk to a lawyer as soon as possible. My name is Eric Stevenson, and I'm an attorney at Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers in Pensacola, Florida. We bring it to the insurance companies.